on the Erewash Sound Breakfast Show, all part of great songs just for Erewash, and we've got more to come with Blondie on the way after the news at 8. Right now though, we are playing Vital Statistics. That's my quiz all about numbers, where today then we're talking about reading, or perhaps maybe not so much reading, and putting a book down after all. That's because my teaser this morning is I want to know what percentage of Brits reckon you should always finish a book once you've started it. Yeah, never mind getting bored of it. Any ideas this morning? Keep your thoughts coming in at facebook.com/Erewash Sound. Go and leave me a comment on the picture of someone reading a book. You can do the same on Twitter.
96.8 FM just for Erewash. This is Erewash Sound.